Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can assign time off days to your work schedule on monday.com. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so what you want to do is here on monday.com is click into your profile icon first here in the top right. From there navigate to administration, and here in the very top left corner guys, expand the work schedule or navigate to work schedule here. So here you see a list of your current schedules. You can create new ones if you like, or simply edit one of your existing ones. So here to the right, you will see a section called time off. You can click into edit time off, or alternately, you click into these three dots, select edit schedule, and here skip to time off. And here simply select the days you would like to, for example, select as, for example, add time off. So simply click into the given day. Let's go, for example, with January 22nd, just for the sake of this tutorial. Click into the given day, double click, and after that you may give the time off a name, like, I don't know, time off or something like that, or out of office or vacation, etc., and select, for example, either a public holiday or other, and to confirm, click into add time off here. And after that, the time off will be marked with a white circle instead of these blue circles for the usual work schedule, guys. And you can do that for each day here and simply go take an entire week off if you like. Don't forget to confirm by clicking into finish. And that's it. You can edit your time off here also, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.